Now I request Dipendu Vishwas.
Okay, so I'll try to first present my screen.
Yeah, please.
Hope you're able to see my screen.
Yes, please.
I'll turn on my video later on for the end of this presentation to conserve the bandwidth. Okay, so the problem statement is that microlenders need to build a credit profile of borrowers so that they can provide the first loan with reasonable rate of interest and build the first record of transaction. And based on the repayment ability in future, they can use the first behavior and build a credit profile and provide them better terms of lending in future. The market opportunity is of 1 lakh crores with 60 billion beneficiaries of microfinance in India. Our value proposition is to reduce loan processing time from more than 30 days to 7 days or less, and we intend to keep cost of transaction to zero, and we will keep a reasonable cost of transaction for high value transactions. We intend to provide digital contracts for evidencing documents, disbursal of loans and installments, and we create digital identity for borrowers so that their profile is available to the lender as well as their lending partners. The team consists of myself, Dipendu. I'm a founder with 2 decades of experience with Wipro and Accenture, and I've done digital transformations for ANZ Bank, Credit Suisse, Capital One, and Nationwide Insurance. And our co-founder is Tarisa Vishwas, who looks after public relations and collaboration with 5 years of experience in information technology. Our 3-stage process involves loan origination, profiling with artificial intelligence on the credit worthiness of a borrower, and then do lending to the borrower's account. We have a white label app which the microlenders can put their branding on because microlenders have a face with the borrowers, and the borrowers trust them. Hence, the branding of microlender is very important. And we provide the software as a service behind the app, and it supports offline transactions at the last mile because cash collections are resource intensive and operational intensive, and we use blockchain which allows us to conduct offline transactions which are then synchronized in Office network. The contracts between borrower and lender are trustable, and through the open network for digital commerce, the borrowers, like even the FPOs, are discovered, and the lenders have greater access to borrowers. Here's an illustration of our technology and its interfaces with the micro lenders and the borrowers. We use open network for digital commerce to discover the borrowers and provide them lending opportunities. And lenders could be microfinance institutions, non-banking financial corporations, or small finance banks. And we use blockchain for loan dispersal as well as loan collections from borrowers like FPOs, SMEs, small health groups, and joint liability groups. We have been talking to 16 customers, and some of the customers like Chaitanya and Small India, South India Finance have given them deep insights about their problem areas, and we have understood their requirements better by talking to the field officers as well as the area managers who operate the lending systems. Our competition is with Calidofen, who provide a public ecosystem like us, and they also are affordable. And there are other players like World and Jayam Solutions who provide such solutions, but they operate a private ecosystem. Our business model is to do a pilot with our customers so that they get a feel of our APIs and our software as a service, and then we provide them pricing plans of subscription of 20,000 per month with basic features to the top end integration of 2 lakh per month with loan origination system and loan management systems. Here are our financials, where our projected revenue at the end of this year is around 16 lakhs. We would be running in losses this year. However, we intend to break even by the end of 2023, and by 2024, we intend to have revenues of around 87 lakhs. Our projection is beyond 2026, where we will have 50 microfinance institutions, and by 2027 we intend to move beyond microfinance institutions to NBFC, small finance banks, and public sector banks, and priority sector lenders. We intend to utilize funding primarily for hiring top talent, because our core algorithms are our intellectual property rights that differentiates us from our competitors in predicting the low defaults. We intend to spend around 4 lakhs in hosting and integration on AWS, with around 3 lakhs in marketing, and around 2 lakhs for administration purposes. Our strategy is to form a small finance bank partnership and go to market with other industry partnerships. We intend to cover Pan India, and we would expand geographically in Bangladesh, Southeast Asia, and beyond. We have a prototype which is live on AWS Cloud, and by August, our MVP will be ready, and we plan to launch by the end of this year. Our opportunity cost is around 25 lakhs, and we need 36 lakhs to scale up. Our pre-money valuation is around 4 crores. Our cloud competition requires 5 lakhs, engineering team around 25 lakhs, and marketing efforts 4 lakhs. We have been part of various cohorts of IIM Bangalore. We have incubated at Vellore Institute of Technology. We are part of Blockchain Center of Excellence in STPI, and we are also we were in a cohort of customer discovery with Indian Institute of Management, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. Here is a scheme of the market where we reach our microfinance institutions through the membership network of MFIN, where most of the microfinance institutions are working with self-regulatory organizations, and here are some statistics based on which we have built our market sizing. So I'm open for questions now.
Thank you, Dipendu, and we're great for the questions.
Hi, Dipendu. This is Anu.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
So you mentioned that you're sourcing your leads from Open Network for Digital Commerce.
Yes.
Can you explain how that is working?
Yeah, so in Open Network for Digital Commerce, there's a concept called seller applications, and the FPOs are part of our seller apps, and we get FPOs and farmers we onboard to the seller app, and they are then available to the lenders who are primarily using buyer apps, and lenders can search for borrowers using the protocol, and that's how the borrowers are discoverable to the lenders.
So Tarisa is a seller app then?
I mean, we provide both the buyer app and the seller app. We provide both the seller app and buyer app, and we enable the FPOs with our seller apps, and we enable the microfinance institution with our buyer app. You're welcome.
Okay. Thank you, Dipendu.